Welcome everybody to our channel, Patwa Tex Evridie. Patwa our language, and we feel good to share one more text with you from the Bible. Today text come from Romans 5 verses 3 to 6. Listen what it says.
But we not just happy about that. We happy about all of the sitting them where we have to suffer through too. Cause we know so when we suffer through them, we will get stronger. And cause we get stronger, we can go through enough more something and not give up. And when we suffer through enough sitting and not give up, God will proud of we. Cause a test him did a test we, and a pass we pass the test. And when we see say God proud of we will know say him we give we all what him promise we. And cause we know say God will give we what him promise, we don't have to worry. We don't have to worry cause we know say God love we. Him show we how much him love we when him give we the Holy Spirit.
Think about this. What is a text that teach me about God? How me can use it in my life? How me can use it help other people? One way we can use it help other people is to share it with them so them can live how God tell them to live. This is how me think. God really love we, and when we serve him, it make him happy. So we must read him word every day and think about it hard, then share it with people. And just remember say, when you and a text par, it make the devil turn far. See you soon.